Bentang-benta kina Deadpool and Wolverine stars Hugh Jackman at Ryan Reynolds ang kanal humor ni Donnie Pangilinan at Kong TV. Panoorin natin ang full interview sa report ni MJ Marfori.
Natatawa pa rin sina Hugh Jackman at Ryan Reynolds nang dumating sina Kong TV at Donnie Pangilinan. Pero ano to? May tensyon?
Ako muna magsasalita.
Sabi mo sa akin, ito yung gagawin mo tapos
Hindi ako muna.
We can hear you.
and then you. Tapos ikaw.
Ako muna.
O sige, ano gusto mo gawin? Gawin mo na.
Napasorry na lang tuloy sina Hugh at Ryan.
Let me just start with I'm sorry
Yes, I'm sorry
for
too.
whatever happened.
Pero nang umarangkada na ang tanungan,
How are you?
Concerned.
Wary.
Nailed it. Next question.
We're just messing with you.
Oh, guys.
We're big fans. That's just to break the ice. Just to break the
We
ice.
work in
si
showbiz.
Donnie bumigay na. Pero si Kong, in character pa rin. In fairness, ang kanyang tanong kay Ryan, paano maging isang mabuting daddy?
I recently just got married.
You did?
Yeah, and me myself, I have a
You look
2-year-old
really happy, Kong.
Yes. I have a 2-year-old son.
Yes.
And I heard from you that you're a terrible father. So, any advice you do so I don't end up like you?
Ang makulit na tugon lang dyan ni Ryan.
Any advice you...
Michelle,
I said it once.
Michelle, contain your client. You know, I think you just want to value and prize external accomplishments instead of bringing them home for yourself.
Yep.
Just try to stay away as much as possible.
Ang biro na yan ni Ryan, base sa nauna niyang pahayag sa kanilang press event.
My daughter's best friend in the whole world in New York City is from Seoul, and they're devastated that I didn't bring them with me because I'm cruel, heartless, and a terrible parent.
Hanggang sa bago matapos ang interview, sinubukan ni Kong na hindi matawa. Pero kahit siya, hindi umubra sa kulit ni na Hugh at Ryan.
When you smile, does it make a cracking sound?
Who's most likely...
Oh, saw that, Kong.
yeah, you
saw
smiled.
that.
I saw joy
Watch
in
it.
your eyes.
Watch that. Replay that.
Yes, there was joy in his eyes. You despicable.
It's over. Career is over. There's a couple
And
of
with
things coming.
dimples too. I see some.
Ang masayang moment na yan, tinapos nila sa isang Gen Z selfie tutorial. Sa July 24 na showing ang Deadpool and Wolverine sa mga sinihan nationwide. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.